Now we are going to see circles. First we have to see the definition of circle. A circle is the path of a point moving at the same distance from a fixed point. A circle is the path of a point, okay. From this point only we have to draw the circle, O point, okay. A circle is a path of a point, this is a path, okay. Path of a point moving at the same distance, from a fixed point, this point O, okay. The fixed point is called the center, this is called the center, O as a center. The fixed distance is called the radius, okay. And the distance around the circle is called the circumference. The distance around the circle, this is a full, it is called as a diameter, and this is half, this is only the half of the portion. So this is a circle, so we segregate into, we separate it into, otherwise we cut into half, okay, we cut into half. The middle part we can call it as diameter. This red line, the full red line is called as a diameter. This segment is called a radius, and this is radius 1, and this is, we can call it as radius 2. The full line we can call it as D, okay. This D is nothing but, D means diameter, okay. The fixed distance is called the radius, and the distance around the circle we can call it as circumference. What is this? Circumference. This is radius. So these are the words very important in the circle, okay. The fixed point is called the center, okay. A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference. A chord of a circle, okay. A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points of the circumference. So this is, we can call it as a chord. ED is a chord, okay. So a chord of a circle is a line segment joining of any 2 points. This is joining 2 points. A chord of a circle is a line segment, okay, it's a line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference, okay. Because completely surrounding place, that is called as a circumference, I have told you. And the distance around the circle, okay, this is a circle. So distance around the circle we can call it a circumference. So a chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference. A diameter is a chord passing through the center. Diameter means, this is the, we can call it as A, it's okay, A, we can call it as A, and this, okay, this start with A. A diameter is a chord, this is called as a chord passing through, this is passing through the center. So we can, after that we have to cut into one more part. A diameter is a double the size of this radius, okay. Diameter, for example, D is equal to this D, this completely we can call it as D. Okay, so this is also a radius, and this is also what? This also a radius, and this also a radius, and this also a radius, okay. And center part we can call it as a diameter. Diameter is, for example, 6 centimeter means, you have to find out the radius means 6 divided by 2 you can get 3 centimeters. So again, if you want to find out what D means, nothing but the radius value R into, that means double this, 2 into R, that is 2 and the R means 2, double the, what is given, the double the size of the radius, double the diameter is the double the size of radius. You have to substitute the value of radius. R is equal to nothing but 3. Okay, R is equal to 3. So diameter means double the size of a radius. So 2 into R. So you have to substitute the value of, R is equal to 3. So you can get 2 into 3, you can get 6 centimeter. That is what, okay. A diameter is double the size of radius. Any diameter of a circle divides into 2 semicircles, okay. So this diameter, this diameter, it's because it is passed through, the diameter is always passing through the center. So this one part we can call it as a semicircle, and this is another part we can call it as another semicircle. So it is this diameter of a circle divides into 2 semicircle, okay. So the circle, so this is a diameter, it's passing through the center. So this one half semicircle, this is the half a semicircle. So this entire circle cut into 2 half semicircle because of what? Because of the diameter, because this diameter is passing through the center, okay. Otherwise we can call it as diameter is another name of diameter is nothing but what? It's a chord, that is what? Chord, okay. And after that what? Any point of a circle is called an arc. Okay, any point of a circle. This is we can draw the line as what? B. Any point of a circle. So this is a point of a circle. OB. This is nothing but is called as an arc. Okay. So arc means this is a OB. Because of B only we can get what? OA and OB and AB. So we can also get this AB is an arc. So this particular OAB, it's like it's like a triangle, but this OA is a radius and this OB is also radius and AB is a arc. Okay, I think so from this from the diagram. So basically this is a circle. So I told you again, this is a circle. So okay, this is O is the center of the circle. O is nothing but O. So with the help of O only we have to draw the circle. Then this O is the center of the circle. We passing through the card. Okay, this is diameter means nothing but otherwise diameter. Otherwise we can call it as card. So what is passing through the center we can call it as a diameter. So after that this diameter cut into what? Diameter is cuts. Okay, this diameter cuts. Okay, this cuts. Okay, this cuts into this is one radius. This is another radius. This is a radius. So this also we can call it as a radius. Okay, this is radius 4. Okay, and after that I told you this. Okay, this is completely okay surrounding the what is given already. This is very clearly. The fixed distance is called the radius. Okay, specific fixed distance, a specific distance is called as a radius, and the distance around the circle, the distance around this is called a diameter. This is called as a diameter, and this D is a nothing but diameter, and this is a what? R is nothing but radius. There is lot of radius. Okay, this lot of radius means we can call it as a radii, and many radius we can call it as radii. A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference. So I have told you circumference are surrounding the path. Surrounding the path we can call it as, I can clearly mention the distance around the circle. The distance around the circle we can call it as diameter. And one more is, what is this? A chord of a circle is a line segment. Okay, joining any 2 points on the circumference. Okay, on the circumference. This is called as a, okay, we can call it as chord. Okay, this is called as chord. We can call it as A, B, R, P, Q, whatever name you like, you can give it. Okay, this is O. This is center of the circle. And diameter is a chord passing through the center. A diameter is double the size of the radius. That is what I told you. The radius is what is this? Radius is equal to 5 centimeters. Means 5 into 2 can get the diameter. Suppose the diameter is 10 centimeters given. If you want to find out the radius, means 10 is divided by 2, you can get 5 centimeter. Okay, that is what. And after that, any diameter of a circle divides into 2 semicircle. This diameter only cut into what? Cut the circle. This diameter is cut the circle into 2 halves. So we can get the 2 half a circle or 2 semicircle. Okay, this one half circle and this is another half circle. So we can get 2 semicircle. Half circle, otherwise we can call it as what? Semicircle. Any point of a circle, this is, we can point a point of a circle, and this is a point of a circle, this is a point of a circle, this is any point of a circle is called an arc. So this is, for example, if I am giving this, so in that particular place, for example, this particular place is called as an arc. Okay, so that is what I mentioned it. Okay. And one more is, now we are going to solve the problem. From the figure, identify the center of the circle, the 3 radii and diameter, a chord and 2 points in the interior, a point in the exterior. So we have to find and sector and segment, everything we have to solve.